Just go right there. All the parts on the inside. Dashboard over there.
There you got one. All right, we got the Monte Carlo. What year this is?
83.
83 Monte Carlo SS. 18-inch Gorilla lift. Now I'm just going through cleaning this bitch out. We gutted out all the old stuff. We cleaning it out. About to shot vac it. I got all the pieces, all the trims right here. I got another console at the house. This is the old dash. This is the original SS dash that came with the car. But I'm not gonna go with this one because the top is so chewed up and I don't feel like getting it fixed. I don't feel like fixing it myself. These are the maroon seats that we going with. It originally had the tan. This is the tan interior. We going with this maroon interior. And this is the new dash. It's actually out of a luxury sport. So it's all gonna flow together when all the colors matching and stuff. I'm gonna snatch this carpet out. I gotta install this window over there. Put the door panels on, fix the headliner, put all the trim back in. Everything will be maroon, clean, like a maroon and black look on the inside. And then I'm gonna keep this paint, just get it touched up, cleaned up. Take this lift kit off. There ain't nothing but a couple bolts. Clean the frame up. New tires on these rims. We'll be good to go. I still gotta put all this trim on. It's my first real SS, so it's like a little bit different from the luxury sport Monte Carlo trim and the CL Monte Carlo trim. So I'll just figure it out as I go. I put this window in. Still gotta change the tires. Put the spoiler on the back. Tailgate latch need to be on. Gotta glue the window in. Take the suspension off. Door latch, door handle, inside door handle, window crank. Install the dash. Finish the carpet. Finish the roof. And button everything down inside. Everything will be done. Fix that center console. Then we do motor and trans.